Hello and welcome to the global launch of the T8 robotic line source system from PK Sound, featuring our patented multi-axis robotic technology. T8 represents the most significant product launch in our company's history and the next stage in the evolution of the world's first and only series of robotically controlled line array systems. T8 leverages the power of PK's Trinity Black and T10 robotic line array modules to precisely shape vertical and horizontal acoustic coverage remotely and in real time, including tight variable pattern control of frequencies down to 400 Hz. Complete with our new compact T18 or flagship T218 subwoofer, the PK Cell modular touring rack, and dynamics control software, the T8 system is an end-to-end solution delivering the technological and operational advantages of variable multi-axis robotics to a vastly wider array of applications. Today's event serves only as an introduction to this industry-changing technology. We'd like you to experience it for yourself and have several upcoming opportunities for you to do just that. T8 and T18 are available around the world thanks to our growing international distribution network. Current partners include Act Entertainment in North America, Face for Central Europe, Adagio Pro for Southern Europe, Premier Productions in Eastern Europe, TOT Focus AV for the Middle East, and our longtime partners at Polar Audio in China. Together, we'll be showcasing the advantages of T8's multi-axis robotics at leading global trade events, including Q 2024 in Rotterdam, Netherlands from January 15th to 17th, Live Production Summit in Palm Springs, California from January 18th to 20th, the NAMM Show in Anaheim, California from January 25th to 28th, off-site demonstrations during Integrated Systems Europe in Barcelona from January 30th to February 2nd. Later in the year, you can find us at Pro Light & Sound in Frankfurt, Germany, USITT in Seattle, Washington, Pro Light & Sound Guangzhou in China, ExpoSen in Montreal, Quebec, Infocom in Las Vegas, and LDI in Las Vegas. Additionally, you can hear T8 and T18 year-round by arranging an appointment to visit our experience centers in Canada, Belgium, Spain, and South China. Now let's dive into the core technology of the T8 system and how multi-axis robotics can drastically augment the accuracy, speed, and safety of your deployments. PK Sound's robotic line source systems offer unmatched acoustic performance and precise coverage control in both the vertical and horizontal planes, owing to integrated robotic actuation systems, DSP, Class D amplification, and industry-leading components. Complete control of multi-axis dispersion patterns via PK Dynamics allows for real-time and remote variable coverage like never before. With 0.1 degrees of resolution in the vertical plane and 49 horizontal coverage settings per module, you can tailor your system to the contours of any venue or space, regardless of its complexity, even after the arrays are flown. Detailed variable pattern control and high output performance are made possible through a selection of next-generation components. T8 is the first system on the planet to pair 8-inch tetracoil low-frequency transducers with a 3-inch dual-ring radiating mid- and high-frequency device for crisp, distortion-free reproduction. This 3-way high-directivity design offers detailed and variable pattern control of frequencies from 20 kHz down to 400 Hz, resulting in significant SPL reductions between on-axis and off-axis coverage points. PK Sound has a reputation for excellence in low-frequency reproduction. T18 pushes that legacy forward and delivers unmatched performance to a wider array of applications. Sharing many internal components with PK Sound's flagship T218 subwoofer, T18 features a front-loaded, long excursion 18-inch transducer in a bass reflex design for clean and punchy output. Its unparalleled size-to-output ratio, with peak SPLs reaching 140.4 decibels, offers truly jaw-dropping results. The T8 system's onboard DSP, inclinometers, and AVB endpoints pair with the world's first implementation of DR Series IP65-rated Ethercon ports from Neutrik, enabling seamless audio, robotic, and network control via PK Dynamics. PK Sound is also a Milan Associate member and set to have T8 and T18 formally certified. Now let's check out the technological and operational advantages that the T8 system offers its significantly broadened user base. First, a T8 system goes up and comes down straight, something that no other traditional line array can do. What's more, each T8 module requires just 3 pins and 3 holes to take advantage of PK's auto-align rigging, resulting in fewer pinch points for technicians. The system occupies a minimal footprint on or behind the stage and can easily be flown by a single technician in most scenarios. Dispersion angles are then articulated in the air with an unprecedented 0.1 degree of vertical resolution, remotely and in real time via PK Dynamics. This drastically increases the speed, safety, and accuracy of any deployment and ensures there are no acoustic compromises. T8 arrays offer over 100 degrees of vertical coverage before pullback is required, and rigging compression on longer arrays is automatically factored out within PK Dynamics. Its ability to fly and land straight and fast boosts safety in inclement weather. Here's our Chief Strategy Officer, James Oliver, demonstrating these unique abilities in the Bella Concert Hall in our home city of Calgary, Alberta, Canada.
Daryl, why don't we go ahead and take stage right, and we're going to start to move this system. Now, by adjusting its vertical coverage, we have the ability to hear my voice come more into focus, into the listening area. It gives you a real-world idea of what's possible to do with the robotic system. One like this that does 0.1 degrees of resolution in the vertical plane allows for incredibly accurate, detailed coverage. Now we'll go to stage left.
In addition to the unparalleled precision in vertical dispersion, T8's multi-axis robotics, driven by dynamic software, deliver 49 symmetric and asymmetric horizontal settings from 60 to 120 degrees for each line array module. Configuring dispersion mechanically instead of digitally means zero compromise to acoustic quality in terms of both headroom and dynamic range. The result is precisely tapered arrays mechanically tailored to the contours of any venue. Maximum impact and intelligibility, minimal reflections and spillage into unwanted areas. Let's go back to the Bella Concert Theatre to hear the results.
The line array often hangs very close to the walls. At its maximum dispersion, the T8 is 120 degrees. Now, what that means is about 45 degrees of that system is firing directly where we don't want it. And you can hear it. You can hear the reverberant energy in the room. So Daryl, let's go ahead and start moving stage right. And what you're going to hear is that the system starts to focus. And I can tell you, as the person standing on the stage, the reflective energy is dramatically reduced.
Thank you for joining us for a preview of the T8 robotic line source system featuring PK Sound's patented multi-axis robotic technology. Contact us or any of our international partners to arrange an in-person experience with this end-to-end subcompact solution and see and hear the technological and operational advantages of multi-axis robotics firsthand. For more information on T8, T18, PK Dynamics, and the rest of our core system offering, visit pksound.live.